Hi guys, let's go through converting angles from radians to degrees. So it's a very simple process and there are two ways in which you can do it. Let me show you the simpler way. So we know that pi radian or pi rad is equivalent to 180 degrees. This is the conversion factor. So wherever you see pi, just replace it with 180, then you have your answer in degrees. An example is the first one that we have here. So we simply say 180, where there's pi, we replace it with 180 divided by 3, and this will result to 60 degrees. So this is equivalent to 60 degrees. Here's another way of approaching it. You have to do the actual cross multiply, where you say, I think I'll do it with this question. So for this one, let's apply the same concept, where we say, where there's pi, just replace it with 180. So we'll say negative 180 divided by 8. Because remember, pi is 180, that's the conversion factor. So if you divide 180 by 8, we'll get 22.5. So negative 22.5 degrees. Okay. So now for this one, let's use the process of actually getting to cross multiply and everything. So pi is equals to 180 degrees. How about 2 over 5? So remember, this 2 over 5 is the radian measure. We don't have a pi in this one. So this is the radian measure, which is 2 over 5 like this. So this is equals to x, because we're converting it to degrees. So if I cross multiply, what will happen? I'll have pi x is equals to, so I'll multiply 2 over 5, 2 over 5 times 180. And I'm getting 72, like this. Then I have pi x is equal to 72, so I divide both sides by pi. So the 72 that I have there, I'll just say divided by pi, and I'll get 22.9 degrees. So this is a more effective way of doing it. Let's apply it here as well. So we can say 180 degrees is equivalent to pi. But the radian, we can say pi rad. The radian that we've been given is 2 rad. And we want it in degrees, like that. So again, we'll cross multiply. So x times pi, we'll get pi x. This is equals to 2 times 180, that is 360. So divide both sides by pi, hence we'll get 360 divided by pi. So 360 divided by pi, I'm getting 114.6. So 114.6 degrees. As easy as that. For this one, or rather this one, let me start with this one. If you have a pi, it's easy because you just replace the pi with 180. So for this one, we simply say 5 multiplied by 180 divided by 9. So I just replace the pi with 180 because remember, pi rad is equals to 180. So where there's pi, just replace it with 180. So this gives us 180 multiplied by 5 is equals to 900. So 900 divided by a 9, which is just equivalent to 100 degrees, like that. So for this one, again, we do not have a pi, so it's better if you use this approach. So we'll say 180 degrees is equivalent to pi radians. So the radian that we have here is 4 over 3 rad. Equate this to x. So x times pi will get pi x. This is equals to, then you multiply 180 times 4 over 3, which is 240. Like that. Divide both sides by pi. So this will be x is equals to 240 over pi. And this will give us, so what is 240 divided by pi? I'm finding 76.4. 76.4 degrees. So there we have it. Just like that. Thank you very much. In case you have a question, please feel free to drop it in the comments. Have a good day.